it's Madeline. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you end up liking my video. So this is going to be a Shein summer haul part 2 because after my first video, I did a little more shopping because I sent a few things back, so I was like, so instead of this being a unboxing try-on haul, this is a haul of clothes that I love, that I've already purchased, I've opened, I've worn, and I love them. So to start off with this haul, we will begin with the shirt that I am wearing. This is a super cute and stretchy, very stretchy tank top, but I love it. It's just so classy. Classy, I don't think that's the word because there's definitely some cleavage, but but I mean, like, I love the material. I feel like it's the material that makes it feel classy. The only thing that stinks about this top is that it is such a stretchy material. I could have definitely used an extra small, but they do not sell it in an extra small, so this is just the regular small. So this top retails for only $8, which is a steal. And also, if you use that coupon code that I mentioned in my first Shein haul, it is POP sugar, all caps, all together, and that saves you, I believe, 20% off. So I ended up only paying like $6 for this top. This is what it looks like on the website. So next up, I actually found a pair of shorts on Shein that I love. I can't even believe it. If you watched my first video, I bought like the most horrendous pair of paper bag shorts and I did return those. But these are so cheap. They are comfortable. I feel like it makes my booty look kind of good. So this is what they look like. Definitely more of like a mom short type of style. I do really like these. These do run a little bit bigger because of them being more of like a mom short type of style. So these are an extra small and I paid $12.60 for them with the code POPSUGAR. This is what they look like online. So they, as you can tell, they are not as tight fitting as they are on the model. And that was the complaint in the reviews as well. But honestly, I like the way they look like this. So I really love these. Next up, I got this cute, simple, oh my gosh, my ankle. So I just got this cute plain white t-shirt that says 90s baby. I actually got mine in a medium because I was thinking I would want it to be a little bit baggier, which is like, I am glad that I did that because then I can toss this in the dryer and I'm sure it'll shrink. But I could have gotten a small because I did want to mainly tuck it into my shorts or my jeans. So I do feel like there is a little bit too much extra room for doing that, but it's just really simple. It's really cozy. I'm just gonna say the prices without the coupon because I feel like that makes the most sense. So this was $9 and it comes in different colors as well. So next up, I got this little t-shirt and it is a little bit too little because the material is a lot thicker than I thought it would be. So this does run small. It comes in an extra small, but I got it in a small thinking it was gonna run small and that the small would fit me. So this top was $8 and this is what it looks like on the website. And everything that I show you guys, I will have linked in the description box down below in the order in which I show them. Then I picked up this cute little cropped v-neck tee. I just think this is so cute. It looks like I'm about to go play tennis, which I'm not. And it fits perfectly. It's a very cool fabric, very breathable, and it's not too thick. True to size, I got a size small and it's just right. And it comes in a bunch of different colors. I did get one more color that I will try on for you guys, but this was just $8 and this is what it looks like on the website. So it comes in all of those different colors. So this is the second color I got. This is in their apricot. The first one was green. I don't know why they call this apricot. It's just like a taupe with black. So I just think that these are super cute. They are so simple and you can't go wrong with simple. This is what this one looks like online. Okay, so I have to show you guys this bikini that I bought. At first I felt a little weird doing this, but then I was like, no, there are literally beauty YouTubers that do try on lingerie hauls. So I mean, a bikini, come on. I also feel like it makes a world of difference to see it on someone because they do not have models trying on their bikinis for like 90% of their bikinis online. And I just love this. Like, it is so perfect for kayaking, having the bandeau, because then I don't have straps like rubbing against my armpits. The bottoms are a little bit more cheeky than I would like. I'll just give you guys a little peek really quick. So they're a little much, but you know what? That's okay. The fabric is seriously such a great consistency. It's very thick. I did get a size small and it was only $13. Here it is. And it does come in other colors as well. I wish that I could just keep this on because it is seriously like 100 degrees in my room right now. Okay, so this is my all-time favorite shirt. Seriously, like ever. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I did already wear this for my Sephora 2020 spring sale haul. So this is what I was wearing and it is from Shein, you guys, for only $8. $8. I did tie the straps because that is the way the model is wearing it in the pictures, but I actually don't really like these tied that much. I mean, it's not bad. I feel like it would be better with my hair up to have them like this because it's just like a lot going on. In my Sephora haul, I just had them untied and flung to the back, and I honestly like the way that looks a lot. Then it just simplifies it, yet you have these elegant little straps in the back. I did put on mom jeans for this part of the video because the rest of the tops that I show I would prefer to wear with mom jeans. So I feel like it just completes the look a little bit more. So this is a beautiful creamy satin top and it is just, it's so perfect. Like I cannot believe that I found this on Shein. So it does have this zipper in the back also, which makes it look more expensive I think than what it is. So again, just $8. I got mine in a size small. So this is what it looks like online. Not gonna lie, I completely forgot to scroll for everything else, but oh well, at least you guys saw it all on me. I am so glad that I didn't get an extra small because I think it would just be a little bit too snug. I think a small fits just right, and I just overall love it. So next, I really love this shirt. It is just so simple. It's so lightweight. It is a very thin material, so definitely nude strapless bra all the way in my opinion. It is just so pretty. It's just this nice sage shirt, and then it has these little details of like little dots, and it is ruched right in here, so you do have full control of pretty much how cropped you want it to be. I mean, it's gonna be cropped no matter what, but I mean, you can really like hike it up there if you want or leave it a little bit looser. So I have been loving this style this summer, and you just tie it at the bottom and it leaves a cute little detail. So this was $13. It also comes in a bunch of different colors. And it looks exactly like the picture. All of this stuff that I'm showing you guys looks identical to the picture. That's why I really love all of these items of clothing. Okay, this next top is really random. It kind of gives me like Hilary Duff vibes for some reason. Or Lizzie McGuire, that's what I mean, Lizzie McGuire. But I love it. I mean, if you've always been a little diva like me, then you had feather boas as a kid, and this just brings back those memories. So it's just really simple. And I like it a lot. My mom laughs. She's like, why did you get that? And I'm like, cause look. I think it looks super cute on, and it was only $6. I mean, come on. And I got mine in a size small. I am so excited to be showing you guys this shirt right now. This is definitely the best for last. I do have two other shirts after this to talk about and show you guys on the website, but the one is completely lost, like don't know where it went, and I just got it a couple weeks ago. Not sure why I keep losing my belongings. And then the second shirt after this is actually dirty because I completely forgot that I got it from Shein. I actually thought I got it from Zaful, and I didn't. So I wore it to bed last night and like tossed down my bathroom floor, showered. It's like, what? So I'm not gonna show that one. But anyways, here is this last shirt to try on for you guys. This is what I am wearing today for the 4th of July. I am pre-filming this weeks in advance, so this won't be up until like 2 weeks from now. But look at how cute this is. I mean, come on. It comes with this perfect white bandeau that is attached. So as you can see here, at first I was not going to get this because I didn't know if the white bandeau was attached or not. Thankfully, someone said in the reviews that it was. So I was like, oh my gosh, no way. Because yes, it's pictured on the model, but I thought maybe she was just wearing that. So it is just perfect because then you aren't too exposed. Like, this is so perfect because today it is like 90 degrees outside. Definitely like at least 105 in my room right now. It's like the second I turn off my AC to film, all the heat just billows in. It is fun. So is this not just the most like tropical little top you've ever seen? I mean, it is so airy, and it's not like you are going to be exposing yourself because it has the bandeau. I just love it. I feel like a little island girl wearing this right now. You guys, this top was $7. $7 to feel like you are on a tropical vacation when you live in Wisconsin. So I got mine in a size small, and I am very glad that I did. This fits perfectly. One thing I did notice though is that I thought this was going to be more of a satin, but it's not, and that's fine because it's a very lightweight material and it's way more breathable than satin. So here it is. So as you can tell, you can see the white bandeau on her, but I was like, I don't know if that comes with it or not. Sure enough, it's attached. Okay, I have talked about this one the longest, but I need to move on. Okay, so the one t-shirt that I recently purchased and wanted to show you guys, but I literally cannot find anywhere. I don't know if it's at my boyfriend's house. So it is just this solid raw cut boxy crop tee. I got it in the shade khaki, and it was only $8. So this is just super simple and really cute. Comes in a few different colors, but I really love the khaki. So then the last shirt that I wanted to talk about, the one that I wore to sleep last night, and then now it's just all dirty and gross. This one was actually a bit more pricey, but if you think about it, this shirt probably would have been like $30 if it was sold at Urban Outfitters or something. So it was $17, and this is the butterfly and letter graphic oversized tee, and I got it in the shade beige. So it is super cute. I really also like the shade dusty blue. I think that is beautiful. Now I kind of want it in that color too. I did get it in the size small, and it is nice and oversized. Pretty much the way it looks on the model is the way it looks on me anyways, so that is a decent comparison at least. I love it. It makes me so happy. I've always loved butterflies. For my sister, it has always been dragonflies. That is why I have that tattoo on my shoulder in memory of her that I mentioned in my Jeep Wrangler vlog. So I've just always felt like she's dragonflies, I'm butterflies. So I was so drawn to this shirt. The last thing that I want to talk about with you guys are scrunchies. Did I need to buy these? Absolutely not. I almost kind of wish that I didn't because I definitely have enough. Anyways, I just think that these are really cute. They are bigger than I thought that they would be in the pictures advertised. But this came in a 3-pack. So it comes with obviously sheer black, this polka dot. I really love this one. That is like the main reason why I bought this pack. And then this cheetah print one that also has some sparkles on it, if you guys can tell. So that pack was $4.50, and this is what they look like online. And then I purchased kind of a big pack of 5 daisy scrunchies. So I will just show you guys a few of them. They are really cute. Their mesh is very scratchy though. It's definitely not comfortable to wear on the wrist. These ones are more comfortable than the other ones I showed you guys because it's not quite as tight of a band. But this is what it looks like up close. Just grabbed a couple colors to show you guys. I mean, they are super cute. A pack of 5 for $3.50. And then the last scrunchie that I have to show you guys, this one is like huge. It's also more peach than what I thought it was going to be. Called a plain mesh scrunchie for $1. So I thought it would be a bit more nude. I mean, it reminds me of the one that I got from Kitsch, if you guys saw my Sephora haul. I will show you guys what this looks like. It's very sturdy too. Like, it definitely feels like it's about to keep my hair in place. There we go.
So I mean, I think that's really cute. I don't know about you guys, but like, I like that.
I dig it. Would I wear it with this top? No. But like, oh my gosh, I really like that. I think it looks really cute. Otherwise, that is all that I have for you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this Shein haul part 2 video. If you guys watched my first Shein haul, are you wondering like why I didn't film with this background in the first place? Because I know I'm wondering. I don't know why, but I had it turned like this way and I was filming that way. So it was just like my white slanted wall, and I feel like this was a way better background. What do you guys think? It's way lighter. I feel like the light is way more balanced. And also then you can see my vanity, which I did just recently upload a vanity tour makeup collection and organization. So I will also have that link down below if you want a little more in-depth details about this setup here. Otherwise, thank you guys so very much for watching. I appreciate you all and your support tons. I wish I could hug you all through the screen. I adore you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you enjoyed this video, and also give it a thumbs up for me. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!